Toyota Vios 2017 alternator. Just watch my short video and don't forget to subscribe. How to remove Toyota Vios 2017 alternator.
Baka ito namista Sir Vincent dito. Bantay po.
Namista to, buto na yung isyente. Issue: damage alternator due to old bearing. If you're new to my channel, just subscribe. Toyota Vios 2017 alternator. Just order in TikTok. Thanks for watching.